What up, Damon? I'm late. I'm late. I slept. I slept late. I'll be straight up. I slept late. Yeah, the video's up good. Video's up good. Oh, bias. I think it's gonna range today. Morning, brother. Um, let me announce that I'm live. Bias. I think today's gonna range. I think today's gonna go up and down. I don't think we're gonna get clear direction. US 100 NQ the same? Yeah, US 100 is the derivative. So I would do my analysis on NQ, and then if you want to execute on US 100, it's pretty much the same thing. I mean, you don't have to look at NQ, but I would personally if I had to choose. Why backtesting today? I don't trade the day before NFP. But we'll do whatever you guys want. We don't have to backtest. We can stay on the charts, outline models, outline trade ideas. I won't be taking anything. We can paper trade. And I will obviously take it serious, not like just do whatever. But we'll not be taking any trades on my fundage or anything. That's why I named it tape reading, back testing, and tape reading, back test. Show us your top down analysis. Bro, no need top down analysis. The drawn liquidity is higher. Monday low of week is set. We're getting closer and closer to the drawn liquidity. So that's it. Just bullish because the drawn liquidity. I don't need. There's no. The weekly candle's already gonna trade higher. So Rami, you know what you should do, bro? You should read the book Trading in the Zone for free. It's in my Discord. It'll help you with any psychological issues you may have. That's honestly my advice to anyone who asks me about psychology now. Read the book. All right. But if you're concerned, I have an entry in my room. I keep trimming too early. You gotta build confidence, bro. Best funded account buy as a starter for futures or for Forex? For futures or Forex? Features, I would do top step. Not trade today. Not on the fundeds, but I can paper trade. Doesn't matter to me. We can trade on paper. Whatever you guys want. We can backtest. We can trade on paper. You got to use the wick. Why not unfunded? I don't trade the day before NFP. I do not trade the day before NFP. Non-farm payroll event is tomorrow, so I do not trade Thursday, the day before. I'm expecting very difficult conditions. If I trade, I don't have as much of an edge as I trade on other days. So I just don't trade on this day. You guys can still trade if you guys want to. You don't have to follow me. You should always make the decision for yourself, right? We all have different models, but that's just me. So you know what? But before 1,000 people ask me, in terms of PO3, yeah, I mean today it's gonna be time distortion pretty much all day. You know, it might move, but you're expecting it to. I wouldn't say like it's gonna accumulate and then tomorrow's gonna distribute, but like yeah, kind of like it's probably gonna engineer liquidity and then run on it tomorrow. If you want to get into that stuff, I'm long IRL to ERL. Not good luck, bro. Yeah, I mean I'm also bullish. I didn't say I don't think it can come here. I don't think I'm gonna find a high probability. There is no high probability trade setups for me today. Any good Ubers to watch when starting new on trading? Inner Circle Trader is number one. That's about it. Hmm. 4-hour imbalance. Yeah, looks really good, man. Looks like we'll probably take out those high days. They're pretty nice, equal highs. They're nice and equal, so looks not bad. Let me post a TikTok really quick. Eating steak today? Final trade today. It's right up here, brother. But why? The reason is, I'm gonna give you the best analogy. Okay, listen closely. Listen closely. This is the best analogy on why, in my opinion, you shouldn't trade before NFP. Non-farm payroll event, bro, think about it as a huge outing where everyone wants to go out and participate. There's so much interest, there's so much engagement in the market. Everyone's going there. Are you really gonna go out on Thursday, the day before? No, man, there's no interest on Thursday. Everyone's gonna sit back, relax, and then Friday comes, everyone's gonna go Friday and be like, "Yay, it's NFP," you know? So Thursday's kind of like a chill day, it's like a rest day, right? It's like a rest day. So I don't like to trade that day because it's usually a small range, usually a lot of wicking. Sometimes you get one directional moves with no retracement, no entry setups. Sometimes your setup will form A plus and then it'll just fail. I'd rather just wait the next day. Sometimes it'll play out, you know. Sometimes nothing happened. It's all about probabilities, but in backtest, it's my least profitable day. It's always awful. It's like the worst. I can recognize Thursday price action just by knowing that the next day is NFP. Like that's how bad it is. It's usually really bad. So that's just me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I said that. I can say that every time now. Yo, Rug, I'm gonna upload that. No cap. Like, okay, we'll just do 2 educationals today because that was like easy as fuck. I'll do like that one, and I'll do like a one on like fair value gap or something. But I'll probably, yeah, we can tape read, we can back test. Which time is NFP? Tomorrow's NFP is 8:30. What's my bias? That's my drawn liquidity though. NFP is good to trade, but if it's your first time, I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, that's how it is, Jerk. That's just how it is. No, I don't think it's over. When I trade on eval, it would just be gambling, pretty much. Why? Why bother? Why bother when I'm likely to lose? I'll be taking steps backwards. I'll be taking steps backwards in my journey, not forwards. So it doesn't really make sense, you know. But it's up to you guys. We'll probably do a poll. I'd look for lungs. We can do a poll. I can either tape read, paper trade, demo trade. Wait, what am I saying, bro? We can either paper trade, tape read, where I'll just try to outline what's happening, what I think is gonna happen, or we can just back test. It's up to you guys. We'll take a poll. I mean, I'll take the poll in like 2-3 minutes. But I'm gonna do a poll just to see whatever you guys want, man. Forward test? I would never forward test this. What am I forward testing? I don't trade this day. I don't see myself ever trading this day in the future. Like if I didn't want to go live, I'd just be sleeping right now. I wouldn't even be in the market. The idea of paper trading and forward testing a day like this is for you to learn, like, is this a day I want to trade? I already did that, so I don't need to do it again. But backtest daily bias. I mean, I'd be doing that in all my backtests anyways, so we can do that both. You're right about the people not having interest in the market, but yeah, exactly. And then now that's under the OB targeted buy side is a good trade right now. Live test just to see if your model plays out on a day like this. I can do that for you guys if that's what you guys want, but I already know it's low probability. Like I've already done that. So if you've never done that, that is something you'd want to do, right? Figure it out for yourself. Is this a day you want to trade? Don't trade because I said so, right? That's not a good idea. You guys don't even know me. Maybe we don't trade the same. You know. But if you guys want to see like how I can show you how like low probability it is, you'll probably see within the first like 15 minutes. So look how slow this candle's forming too. But we can see. I'll tell you guys what I see. So I see these relative equal highs. Engineered relative equal highs. Right? We came up, induced shorts, putting in these relative equal highs. How to calculate risk on micro Nasdaq? It depends on your stop loss placement. Are we bullish? Yeah, I'd probably expect higher. You sure I stopped out? Of what? Long? Did you go long? I don't know about that one, brother. If you went long, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not trying to hate on you, but brother, if you went long, like a couple minutes ago, unless it's actually your model, I really think you should reconsider the setups you're taking. Unless you actually have a model, but like, bro, if I'm being honest with you, if you trade ICT and you went long anywhere before 9:30 in like this price action, you're chasing, brother. You're chasing the bag. I get it, bro. But I'm gonna just tell you straight up, because I've been there too. Unless you're paper trading and like testing something, yeah, I guess there's just no reason to go long. How you can't go long if SMT high? If you went short on every single SMT that forms, Merrick, you would probably not be profitable. I don't think that's a profitable model. If you just short every SMT on open when that's not a reason for price to go lower. Just because we could have easily bumped this high, or we could have. It's 9:30 volatility, right? 9:30 volatility. Unless we're already in distribution phase, I would not expect it to be used to distribute. We are not in distribution phase. We've been swinging sideways this whole time. Oh, it's testing something? No. I mean, I don't mean to hate, bro. I don't mean to hate. I've been there, I've been there where I'm like, oh man, this shit might shoot up. So I just start taking trades pre-market. Like, I've been there, bro. What's up, Ricardo? I am there. That's you? You do that? You do that? You trading today? Nah. Not on my real accounts if anything. I can trade eval. I'm short. I mean, I'm bullish, so I wouldn't look for shorts. But good luck. It's a big bearish fair value gap, so it might hold. But I'm personally bullish. That's just me. A good free backtesting software. I think Trader Kazda is like the only one that's like free and good out there. Buy side swept and SMT, sell side swept and SMT. Are you asking if I think it can go higher from here? Yeah, I think it's possible. Did we retouch the 4-hour? Yeah, we came back down to the 4-hour. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible for sure. You good, Max? Max is probably not your strategy, bro. Unless you really just don't have a good strategy. It's probably not that. It's probably not that. What news is today? Nothing really important. A lot of people, they just like, oh man. And I did this for like 4 or 5 months, bro. Trust me, I did this. So I don't want everyone to just assume that it's their model, that the reason they're not profitable. It's probably not your model. I know that's hard to believe. Everyone just wants to blame it on the external factors. Look at me, I'm a preacher now ever since I read chapter 1, but everyone wants to blame it on their external factors, but in reality, it's not the model, man. The continuation model. Are you talking about my protraction model or your own model? My TradeAvate is fast, but TradingView is really slow. Do you have real-time data? Are you signed in to TradeAvate on TradingView? That book is really good, man. Honestly, it's opening my mind so much. It really is opening my mind. How many models you trade? I have one model, but there's a couple different setups, different ways it can form. Bro, I deadass think trading is like 1% strategy, bro. Because bro, you can teach someone a strategy in 1 Bro, in 15 minutes, bro. I could teach anyone. Give me anyone who's like decent and has like good common sense. I can teach them my model and they can trade it. But they're not. It's not gonna work for them, you know. So I don't know. In my opinion, bro, like it's like 5%, bro. Like, bro, the model, bro. It's not easy to learn like candlestick shit. It's really not. You can learn it in a day or two. Like understanding there's liquidity here. You know, if we take it. It's about following your rules. I mean, that's one of the reasons. It's about all those variables, and there's so many variables. It's really not about the model. Obviously, if you have a bad model, then okay. Like if you just be like, oh, short every bearish fair value gap that forms. I mean, even that, bro, like could possibly be profitable if you manage your risk properly. You know. Well, book trading in the zone. Turtle soup this. I'm bullish. So I mean, honestly, this is a day where you don't want to rely on daily bias, right? You want to look at intraday objectives. So I'm bullish on the higher time frame. I think probably NFP will send us here. Maybe that volatility will kick in and we can move higher. But if we do go higher, this is my objective. It's this 21832. If we go higher, I don't know if we're gonna expand today, man. We could literally range for the next hour. Why am I not trading? Because there's NFP tomorrow, and the price action today is probably not gonna be the best. So I don't want to trade on that day. I don't like trading on NFP day. Forecast for gold. I called longs on the daily BISI a while ago. Did that ever play out? Holy shit. You just gotta keep looking for longs pretty much, bro. If you want high probability setups. Nothing short will be high probability. We can scout Forex pairs though. Let's look at damn, Hero JPY with the sync. Well, there's no really that clean there's no really that many clean Forex pairs for swing trades, in my opinion, right now. Because everything is just gapped. Like everything's just gapping. Lower or higher. Like where did this come from, bro? You know what? This 4-hour breaker is pretty nice. I guess you could take that, but NZD CAD? I've never even looked at that pair before in my life. Yo, this doesn't look too bad. But oh, how to find trending pairs in Forex scalping? Let's look at the daily chart, I guess, if that's what you're looking for. I don't know. I don't really trade like that. Any idea where I can look at meme coins? You gotta go on Deck Screener, bro. It's like the only place that's pretty good. Like it's not a bad trade. Bro, if anything, this is longs from the weekly. I don't even know if I'm bearish. I mean, we have relative equal lows, but I feel like it's just ranging. And we came down into the weekly. The relative equal highs. And we have 4-hour CISD. And we're inside that 4-hour CISD right now. So if we went long, it would look something like this. I feel like the long makes a lot more sense. Price action today's shit? Yeah, that's why we're not trading today. But look at this, yeah. There you go. There's your first sign of absolutely, you know? Can you look at Euro? Yes, I can, brother. Yes, I can. Let me just name this. Longs on what? I'm thinking NZD CAD. Just comes down to like, I mean, the thing is, order flow is bearish on the weekly. Daily has a daily breaker. Like, you'd be shorting against a daily unicorn setup. It really just comes down to whether or not you think the weekly BISI is going to hold. The way I see it, I don't know. What do you guys think? It's not that clear. To me, it's not that clear because we just kind of been ranging, and I feel like we've been working towards the sell side. Narrative on IQ, sideways, bro, sideways. I don't know. NZD CAD looks clean, bro. Yeah, I mean, you would long. Yo, what's an S? What would you use NZD like CHF? Like, is that the corresponding pair? No, not really. It's got to be a CAD pair, like odd CAD. Well, this shit looks hella bearish, bro. Like, it's weekly bullish for value gap. Bro, it has to be bullish, bro. Like, order flow on the weekly is bullish. This is just a retracement, right? Like, I think this is your low. Order flow on the weekly is clearly bullish. Clearly. We swept sell side. We got a strong move higher. Inverse this gap. Put in a bullish fair value gap. Traded back into it. There's not that many clear objectives higher, but it's clean. But then again, we did go up, touch the daily SIBI, immediately came down with a change in the state and a bearish breaker. And right now we're resting at this 4-hour CISD level. Euro JPY shorts. Let's open up. Let's do it here. I don't know. It's not that clear. I might have to stay away from that pair just because it's not that clear. But I don't know how you're going to short this. It's TP time, bro. It's time to TP. In my opinion. What's the most you've made in 1 month? In terms of like payouts or just like on an account, like on a funded account. Because I've only ever gotten 3 payouts, so. Yeah, I don't know how I would short this. It's done. You missed it, in my opinion. Look at NQ. Just out of nowhere. There's your relative equal high objective. What do I think about the CSE and NQ? I think there's a good chance it just comes back into the range. It's either going to come back into the range or it's going to keep going higher towards my drawn liquidity and not offer any return whatsoever. ES a little bit cleaner. Yeah, it's just going to be even slower. It's your DOL. The equal highs on the 15. But it's a no trade day for me. Just remember that. I don't think it'll retrace. It's typical that it just goes. It could, but it's ass. Yeah, I don't know. NGD cat, that was a good drop. That was a good drop. Whoever dropped that. I don't know if it's enough for me to long. It's just not clear enough for me. It's not clear enough. USD, look for longs. Just wait for it to align. Was it you, Danny? Who said that? You're in longs on the NGD cat. And the thing is, like, Okay, there's odd CAD here. I mean, we were respected the daily business. It just we came down so aggressively, bro. We swept this low. There's SMT here. Bro, we could just go for the craziest trade ever. We dead ass could just trade it like this. Because even that's 5R. And low key, this is possible. Like, it's a turtle soup idea, but there is SMT. Like, we could just put in such little risk, you know? Why would I trade NDT? I swing trade Forex all the time. I mean, that's not the best, though. Like, realistically. Because if we are going to go higher, we're going to take Monday's high. It's going to happen. If we go higher, eventually we will come here. When you know I love it again, funny how things change. We're literally at a point where we're either going to displace lower or displace higher, because like that's it. This is your hourly breaker forming from your daily breaker. Yeah, man. It's kind of pissing me off that I don't know. Like I almost just want to stay away, you know. I mean, OddCAD looks pretty bullish. Oh, look who's passing. Didn't wanna know me back then. Like Tuesday low of week. No man, I think Friday. I think Friday comes back down here, takes the low, makes a low of week, you know? But maybe not, man. Maybe Friday shoots up. Maybe we just set an alert here. If we get like a large expansion on the 15 or something, then we can long. We'll just set an alert or something. This is first presentation, fair value gap. London lows? No. I'm bullish. First presentation. First presentation refers to the first fair value gap after 9:30. Macros are so fucking dry. Trying so hard to not take this trade. But it's just gonna go sideways, so not kind of 9:31. This one doesn't count because it's 9:29. This is first presentation. 100% this is first presentation. Anyone saying otherwise is incorrect. Read manipulation right now? I think on any other day, this would be used to send price higher. Whoops. This would be used to send price higher. But because it's today, it could just fizzle out and go sideways. In terms of setups, it's not that bad. 950 macro. Breaker. Here's on liquidity. Macro is a time interval where you expect some sort of price delivery. It's just not a day, it's not a good day to demand precision, you know. When I go break even, as soon as we take this high, well, I wouldn't, but assuming you don't take partials, because what I would do that you got in here, I would take enough off at this high so I can leave my stop here and leave the rest runner. So I would break even through partials. I wouldn't break even through moving the stop. Or you can break even or partial when ES reaches this city. It does give less profits, but it gives more profits than just break even. No, you're right. What you said is right. So I would break even here. Break even or partial. London reversal, New York continuation. I don't even look at daily profile, but I'm bullish. You're in longs too? No, just tape reading. I don't trade this day. Yeah, that happens. Oh, that's too fucking clean, bro. That 0.5 standard deviations aligns with that. That's too clean. So say I took 4 micros on this trade. Personally, I would partial like 2 here. I would partial 2 here. That would put me at break even. And I would let the rest go. Yes, it's bad risk to reward. I mean, in this case, the stop moving the stop actually makes sense. So I would do that and break even. But the reason is, you know, we don't have to get into it. There it is. You would have been stopped to break even. You would have been stopped break even. The thing is, like, you took partials and stops break even. Bro, I know it's bad risk to reward, but I'm telling you, from my experience, the amount of times I get stopped to break even because the stop doesn't really make sense and then move higher, it moves higher, is too often. It doesn't make sense to break even a trade just because it took out a high, you know? I don't like that trading style. I don't like breaking even like almost every fucking trade and then, oh, when I get lucky, it just goes higher because it didn't come back down, you know? In my opinion, you should only break even if it makes sense. If you need to cover your risk, because you feel iffy or something, take a partial, you know? If you know what you're talking about, why don't you take a trade on Combine? Why are you scared? I'm not scared. It's low probability. Just even though it formed, doesn't mean it's gonna play out. There's a lower chance this plays out today on any other day. You know, so why would I take it? Why do I care so much about making money? If my goal was to make money, I would just keep trading until I fucking got a payout or something. I'll just keep buying accounts, keep over leveraging, keep going until I make a payout. Exactly. Well, what Marianne said is true. It can come back into this imbalance and still offer higher, right? It's not like this fair value gap's done. No, I can easily come back here. So that happens a lot. So the stop loss, like, it doesn't really make sense. We have an order block here, you know? I mean, on a day like this, it's really sloppy anyways, but the idea is you shouldn't move, in my opinion, it just doesn't make sense. You shouldn't move your stop loss unless it makes sense. The level you're going to move it to needs to make sense. So if you feel like you're in a trade and it could potentially reverse on you, wouldn't that be a good place to take something off the trade then? Cover your risk, secure some profits. If it's going to hit your original stop anyway, then it would have been a loser trade to begin with. So who cares if you partial at this high and leave your stop here? If you partial at this high and it comes back and hits your stop, all right, who cares? You're break even. If you partial at this high and it goes to your TP, all right, it hit TP. But if you partial at this high and it goes break even and then hits TP, that's not good, you know? That doesn't make sense. Why are you scared, like, you know, of losing? Like, you have to go break even just because it took this high? Nah. To me, it makes more sense to partial here, leave the stop, that way you're covered. And if it goes TP, you know, and that's why you got to look for good risk to reward trades, you know? If you're only looking for a one-to-one, then you're kind of cooked, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend stops at break even. I mean, listen, on a day like this, like, it's hard to say because on a day like this, you get this typical reaction. I'm saying if you want a partial and you're looking for a one-to-one, that really doesn't make sense because you will be under 1R average on every single trade. You'll never break. But if you get some 2 to 3 RRs, then partialing can work out. And there you go. See how this move just fizzled out? Very typical price action on a day like this. Doesn't matter. That's my model right there. My model has a nice win rate in theory. Would you ever swing trade NAS if you're bullish? It isn't a big consolidation. It's pretty annoying, to be honest. Like, these last couple of days, here, like, I don't like that. We're just in this big range. We're in this range from Friday and Monday, and we're just still in premium. Anyone should remember I called out the 2186 level? I remember you saying that. Where's 2186? I mean, bro, those relatively high. I mean, I guess I called this shit out at 929. No, I'm not taking any trades today. I wouldn't recommend stops at breaking. Listen, this is my personal opinion. You guys let me know what you think. You should not touch your stop loss unless it makes sense. Your trade needs to be invalidated at your stop loss. Forget the P&L. Forget the money. Why would you take a trade and move your stop to a level if there's a chance it can hit your stop loss and still play out? The only reason you would do that is because you don't want to lose. You're just scared of losing. Don't do that. It doesn't make sense. That's just my opinion. You should only move your stop loss if it to a level that makes sense. It should hold. In my opinion, break even here doesn't make sense. You're trading first presentation. The only way this trade idea is incorrect, is if we inverse this. I want to manage my risk. Yeah, that's why you risk a specific amount. It doesn't mean you just break even as soon as you get the chance. That is managing your risk. You risk a certain amount, right? And if you think the trade has a chance of reversing on you, don't just break even in, you're going to break even and be like, all right, let's just hope. I'm just going to hope it doesn't hit break even and goes to TP first. No, what is that? Is that how you're going to trade? If that's how you're going to trade, then just sell every single displacement like this. And then as soon as you're in profit, just go break even. This was a bad example. It stopped displacing. But if that's how you're going to trade, then, I'm just going to say, oh, I hope. Wait, what's going on here, bro? Like, see, then you just do this. You just go break even. What the fuck just happened? Oh, I added a position. Oh, it's a buy stops. It's like, as soon as you're in profit, you get what I'm saying? If that's how you want to trade. So, like, it doesn't make sense. Yes, NFP tomorrow, so I don't trade today. ES shorts are very clean from 953. How many contracts are you on right now? This is paper. I was just doing a demonstration. What do you think if price goes to DOL, hits 100 PPR, then go short? Yeah, it's not a bad level, but the thing is today, the most probable thing to happen today is price is going to range, okay? I'm bullish, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be nice, clean expansion all the way. We may not even get to this level today. It may be tomorrow. It may be lunch, maybe PM session. I don't know. So, and I don't know. That's just my opinion, but I think if you take a trade, you shouldn't just break even. I don't think it makes sense. I think if you're the person, and I used to do this so that I know what a lot of people think. A lot of people, they take a trade and they're like, it shouldn't, or I don't want to see it come back to this level before hitting TP. But there's no logic or sound reasoning to that decision. They just want to not lose, so they go break even and they say, okay, I hope it hits TP before hitting my break even. It's not a logical decision. It's not based on price action or the candlesticks. They don't want to lose, so they're gonna say, I hope it hits TP before losing. That doesn't make sense. If you think the trade is gonna reverse on you, well, then I guess it's not a bad idea, but just close it then. If price came here and you're like, damn, I think it's gonna reverse. If you truly think it's gonna reverse and hit your stop loss, then just close it. Why would you hold it? That makes no sense. Don't get greedy and say, oh, but maybe it won't hit my break. You just told yourself you think it's gonna reverse. So if it's gonna reverse, close it. If it's not gonna reverse, hold it. Yeah, it was too. It was. You're just demonstrating. I'm not really trading today. Like, did you trade? No, I'm not trading today. You're in a short right now. Nice, good luck, bro. Sorry for cap. No, you good. And whoever talked about NZD CAD, bro, I don't know. I think I'm leaning towards shorts more. Just leaning towards shorts more. It's just a little. It doesn't really make sense to go. Like, yeah, we had the weekly bullish, but just look at this, like, price action here. It really screams to me like lower. I mean, we hit this. I don't know. Honestly, it's not clear. It's not clear. NZD CAD is not clear for me. I'm just gonna close the chart before I make a dumb decision. AMD's below 110. I'll buy under 100. What motivates you to trade? I don't know. Freedom. Odd USD. Let's see this. Oh, that soup is so nice. Oh, I swear. Me and the group, we called this short. We called this long. But obviously, we were too fucking scared to just turtle soup it. What ended up happening? Oh, yeah, this. Yeah, it's probably going to run this buy side. Yeah, it's probably going to run that buy side. I don't know how I'm going to get in on this, though. I think I missed it. Let's go to 1653 ES. You think it's going to hit the 1 hour low? What's 1653, bro? 953? 953? You shorted, right here. The 1 hour low. Mm, no, I don't think it is. I wouldn't have waited. Not on a day like this. On any other day, yeah, maybe. But on a day like this, it really likes to leave relative equal highs and lows. Look at the market here. Look at the market there. Look at the market here, there. But maybe this 5 minute will offer it. This 5 minute bearish. He took the same trade as you. That's weird. I wouldn't have expected him to trade today, but to each their own model, I guess. Yeah, shorts gave good today. Looking for a buy. You trading tomorrow? Tomorrow I'm trading. Minus 3K for him. Yeah, a lot of ICT traders are trading. Yo, I'm not gonna hate on anyone because I think any trader deserves as much support and shit as possible. But there's a lot of ICT traders who be trading on the days that even ICT himself doesn't trade. I don't personally think you should just follow what ICT says. But I found it for myself that like FOMC day in the morning sucks and NFP pre-NFP sucks. So it's just I see a lot of people who like live stream and stuff who trade ICT. They always be trading like FOMC morning and pre-NFP. But like why? Why do they? Do they not know? Or do they found that it's not that bad? I don't know. What motivates me? Honestly, I just love it, bro. I actually like trading. I like the precision aspect. I like the fact that it's completely in my control, right? I mean, not like how the market moves, obviously, but like everything else, like it's up to me. I can't blame anyone or anything besides myself. Um, I like that. What else do I like? I like how precise it can be. I like the precision element. I like the freedom that it could potentially offer. You in longs? No, I'm not taking any trades. What you looking for? Nothing, bro. I'm just here to chill with you guys, to be honest. Tape read, call moves. Are you consistently profitable? No, I don't think so. I mean, like over the year, but I've had some bad months in a row. I had a lot of break-even months, so not consistently in profit. A lot of break-evens. Taught me a lot about myself. That's why I like it. Have you gotten payouts? I've gotten 3 payouts so far in my journey. Hopefully with this new strategy. Yeah, maybe, bro. Maybe. How long you been trading for? Like how long have I been trading? Like, I've been trading for... My mind's blank, bro. My mind's blank. Like, serious trading? Yeah, I'd probably say 13 months. You're the only one I would take as a mentor. I'm serious. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. You watched all the ICT content? Yes, multiple times I've seen ICT's content. I've seen 2022. I'm not joking when I say this. I've seen 2022 mentorship 4 times and a half. I was watching half and then I quit the 5th time. So 4.5 times. I've seen 2016 3 times. I've watched 2023. All those long ass lectures about order block theory and shit. I've seen them. I've seen 2024. Really good, by the way, 2024. I feel like it's a little bit underrated. I've seen his Forex Primer series. I watched his charter content, price action models. Yeah, I've seen it all, man. And took it, and I made my own model. Are you gonna trade right now? No. I'm just sitting here, chilling, talking to you guys. You think all that is necessary? No, definitely not. How long do you stream? Usually I go to like 11, so like 50 more minutes. When I'm trading, I'll usually stream from till 11. London highs are high probability. Yeah, I think my drawn liquidity is gonna get taken. Just no high probability trade setups towards it. No, nothing is high probability setup on this day. You can see right here. This is like a perfect example. On any other day, this shit just hits TP. Doesn't need to engineer more liquidity there, and there you go. It just does, you know. If you're break even, you're so close to being profitable. Yeah, I mean, almost, yeah, it's a lot of break-even months. It's a lot of mistakes I just make, you know. I mean, I'm not worried about it. Just gotta keep going. Alonso only made 700. Okay. You trading tomorrow during AM? Yeah, I like trading NFP personally. Um, yeah, it's pretty much always like this. Why no trades for you? I don't trade the day before non-farm payroll, so I'm just gonna outline trades. We called this drawn liquidity at 9:30. It's about to get hit right now. How long have you been a break-even trader? I mean, I've only been trading for 13 months. I've got 3 payouts in that month. Um, how long have I been break-even? Yeah, I would just walk away. Quality take that's a W, man. If you took a that's a W. If you can walk away with that. Oh, isn't that long? Only made 137. There's the DOL hit. What do I think about fake? What do you think about folks hating on ICT? Um, it draws a lot of attention to each paper. Nice, bro. Your chart's kind of clean. I can't lie. That's pretty dark. Would have played on NQ. Yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Yes, it's on ban list. His concepts work. I passed 20 evals and blew all since watching you. I've been removing my bad habits. You're one disciplined trader. You know what? That is something I am proud of myself. I am really disciplined. I am, yeah, I am pretty disciplined. You actually need to close fully instead of partial. Um, I think it's a good full close, anyways. But what is NFP? NFP is a news event that'll be the news data stands for non-farm payroll. It's gonna be released tomorrow. The 8:30 at 8:30, the number will be released tomorrow. Been having bad drawn liquidity and bad TPs. You know what? I think that's an amazing thing to be struggling with. If that's your main struggle, drawn liquidity, then I think you're in a good spot, bro. Because that's something you can easily work on. You know, anything anything that's on the chart, like you can work on that easy, no problem. You know, you can improve on any of those stuff. No, I didn't take any trades today. 10:05. The CISD you marked out is incorrect. If you marked it on the 1 minute, but it's still a valid trade. The CISD is right here. This is the candle, the down close candle that led to the liquidity sweep inside first presentation. It's a nice solid body. As soon as that candle gets closed above, that's your CISD. 10:04 is not a CISD. It did not take any liquidity. This is the correct annotation. Not to be a strict or anything. 9:31 minute for G's first presentation. No, this one is not first presentation. If you go to regular trading hours, that's so funny, bro. That's so funny. What are the odds that there's a candle close right here forming a fair value gap? I've never seen that once in my life. Guys, this is 1614. No, it's not valid still. It's not valid. It still needs to be the first fair value gap after 9:30. It's just funny that this is from yesterday. This is opening range. This is your opening range gap. This is your opening range gap. From here where we closed to where we opened. It's right there. It's your opening range gap. No, it's not valid. This candle's 9:29, so it's not after 9:30. This is your first presentation, not this one. This is just, it doesn't mean you can't use this as an imbalance. It's still an inversion fair value gap, right? It's still valid. It's just not first presentation. If you open above mid gap, first presentation, presented close above. If we open above mid gap, a first presented and close above single series of down close. I mean, that's not how ICTs taught it. I get what you're saying. You're saying like it's a valid down close series. Let me check the only reason I would maybe think it's valid is if there's a nice move on the 5 or 15 second. Hold on. I mean, this is just my, I mean, it's not really my opinion if I'm being honest. It's kind of how ICT taught it. Your CISD occurs here. No, I mean, it's really just not, you know? It's really, yeah, it's really just not your CISD. I mean, on the 5 second, there's a nice CISD there with a breaker, but. What's up, Tyler? This is just a down close candle, bro. 10:04 or 10:05. 10:04 is just a down close candle. Yeah, it's a valid idea. The 15-minute OB, which is these two candles, not this one. It's to be a propulsion block. These two. Why these two? Because it entered the BISI, came back. But look, it's this down close candle that touched into there, that took out this liquidity. That this is the move lower. This isn't. This is not even sell side delivery. I mean, it is, but it's primarily just a consolidation. This is your sell side delivery. So if you're gonna change the state, we gotta come back above there. The 9:30 AM candle is a breaker, right? 9:28 is the breaker, or actually it's 9:26. But if you go to the 2-minute, it's probably the same. Nope. 3-minute is pretty clean. The breaker on the 3-minute. 3 minutes is probably the cleanest. CSD and Koch. I don't know what the hell Koch is, bro. Been waiting on the ebooks since yesterday. Bro, it's in the Discord. I announced it. It's in ebooks. I don't want to send it to every single person. So many people are messaging me, but it's right here. Just go to ebooks, right there. Boom. Free. Mark Douglas. It's like a $50 book or something. Right there. You think you're gonna retrace? Okay, hold on. I missed some text here. How high you think we can go? The highest we can go is here. I don't know if we have what it takes, but we'll see. If it does, I think it'll just keep going one side expansion. No retracement, just. Oh, Discord's banned? Oh, did you message me on can you send me your email? I can email it to you right now. Because I can't send the PDF on Instagram. But if you send me your email on Instagram, then Discord is banned where you live? Where do you live, bro? I can send this It's a valid entry. It's a valid entry. I don't disagree. It's an inversion fair value gap as well. And this low is a good chance this low gets, but all I'm saying is 10:04 is not a change in the state of delivery on the 1-minute time frame. That's all I'm saying. It's simply a down close candle that got closed above. As simple as that, you know. And this is your OB. So in reality, it's not even a change in the state. This would just be your propulsion block. That's just the ICT classification. You owe me a win. I'm not trading today. Do you trade pre-market sometimes? No. How's this been week for you? Break even week for me. 0 P&L, 0 L, 0 P&L. Why aren't you trading today? NFP tomorrow. Damn, bro. I think I can still receive I can't receive DMs. I get DMs all the time, bro. Random people asking me shit. Yeah, Rob, the same live as you, but I keep getting banned. Hey, man, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I don't know. I've never been banned. I'm not saying it's an invalid trade, Kojo. It's a good trade, bro. It's a 100% good trade. There's a lot of things telling you that it's gonna go higher after this low gets put in. I mean, there's a nice 5-second there. Nice 5-second. There's a 5-second. Because on the 5-second, we did this. So, clean CSD on the 5. Which is valid. Just find a way to send me your email, Mohammed. I'll send you the book. I don't know how. But yeah, I mean, you can enter just as soon as it touches the 15-minute OB. I mean, me personally, I like this more than the 15-minute OB. I feel like this OB is a lot cleaner. Just referring back to this discount PD array, this BPR. Risky but rewarding. Yeah, not bad, bro. Market profiles? You mean daily profiles? I don't know what a market profile is. Where do you think we retrace? 5, 10, 15, 3, 2. Probably that's your retracement right there. This your inversion. I don't know. Maybe something like this. It's a terrible trade, but it'll probably hit TP. If it inverses. Just call my name. I would never take this, by the way. But if we're just tape reading, I mean, maybe. You read price well today, very clear and correct. Thanks, bro. Why not lower? I mean, it could go lower. My drawn liquidity was hit, so. It could go lower, 100%. You can wait for lower, it's possible. Yeah, we hit the hourly inversion, consequent encroachment level. Could go lower. PO3 10 a.m. goes higher at 10, then goes lower. Why don't you take longs? I don't trade on the day before non-farm payroll, so I was just outlining. Discord is banned in Russia and Turkey. Damn. So no Discord for you guys? No, I don't use ICT as do I, but it's looking like a simple support and resistance upwards. Yeah, bro, I agree. We found support at first presentation fair value gap. We found support at the 4-hour bullish fair value gap, which we all marked out before stream. And we found support at this order block. We came up, we found resistance at the exact level that I said, at these highs. So yeah, I agree with support and resistance. That's my email. Where did you send it to me? Passed my funded today. Nice, bro. Proud of you, man. Where'd you send me your email, brother? Trade coming in clutch. Please, BTC USD, bullish. In my personal opinion. I typed it here because IG won't let me. Oh wait, I have to go to live chat. I see you probably. You typed it in here? I don't see it, man. Am I tripping? Yeah, it was anemic. It was so small. There was no gap, right? Wasn't it the exact same price? You take a trade? No, I don't trade on this day. Don't trade on this day. I would have longed here, either broke even or partialed, and then broke even. Like, because of his stop. And this also long right here is not bad. I probably wouldn't have been filled on a trade like this. I mean, actually, maybe this inversion. I would have taken it, maybe. Cristiano or Messi? Not gonna lie, bro, I don't follow soccer too much. But if I had to say, bro, I don't know, bro. Like, what's the question? Who do I like more? Possible short here? Sure. Yeah, possible. You missed that inversion? If that's your model, yeah. Mohammed, I didn't get your email, brother. I'm in short, 20-point stop. Oh, you just be putting the stop where you want, huh? I think it might go higher, but I don't know. We'll see. Don't let me alter your position. Are you bullish today? I was bullish. My drawn liquidity got hit. What do I think can happen now? Probably a lot of sideways. Probably a lot of messing people up. You traded yesterday? Yesterday we took 2 break-even trades. We were up pretty good on one of them, up 2 risk to reward. I broke even, and it made sense to break even. It was an order block. So I broke even at the order block, the bearish order block high, and it just ran. And it was the news event kind of broke me even. So it ended up hitting TP after. I just recently posted about it if you want to see the trade I took yesterday. I just posted a TikTok. Yeah. When you call my name, it's like an angel. I instantly got stopped yesterday. That's tough, bro. That's tough. It happens. Do-do-do-do. Just like the angels sound. Bro, you know what's funny? What you looking for today? Breakfast. Oh my god, GatieTrades just joined the live, guys. Shout out to one of my biggest fans, GatieTrades himself. You know, he always be in here posting videos about me and shit. Yo, on a real note, bro. On a real note. Why are you copying to be me, bro? Like, you don't have anything better to do, bro? Do you not have any... You know, I actually found, bro, one of my students scammed one of the GatieTrades scammers, bro. For like $300. I swear to you, bro. That's so funny, bro. They're probably like super mad now, so they're on like crazy mode trying to get it back, you know? Crazy, man. People just be making fake accounts, and you're just a full-time impersonator, bro. Like if someone comes up to you, like, what do? Like, I impersonate other people. How? He was asking for like a 20K deposit or something for like a mentorship. Obviously, that I don't even charge. Like, you guys know me. So like the guy was asking for a 20K deposit, and he was like, oh, like, how do I know the link works? Like, can you send me something so I can just like click send back or something? And then he was like, yeah. So he was like, okay, send me like this much, and then I can send back like the 20K. And he fucking sent in like 300. Indicator settings? For which indicator? My kill zones and pivots. This one. I'm putting on shorts this morning. Yeah, I know. That is wild. And that is really idiotic by him, but it top hits your TP. Did it hit -1? -1.5? Hey, nice. Cool. Dude, this camera isn't sure are a joke. I tapped my first ever prop CEO himself with a prop block into requested a payout. Yeah, man, there's so many scammers, bro. It's so sad, bro. There's so many scammers in the trading industry, bro. Bro, you know what it is? I think what's worse than the scammers, it's the people who post videos and take advantage of new traders, thinking like, making it seem like trading is one thing, but that's just completely unrealistic. You know? I just hate that, bro. I hate that. Man Trades? Yeah, I've heard about him. Yeah, man. And then there's people who post shit like this where like, bro, they'll let me show you guys, bro. I do this every live stream. Guys, please, everyone watching, please, just look at what I'm about to do. Please, literally please, just pay attention to what I'm about to do. Okay? Alright. Focus here. Focus. Wait for it. Just keep looking. Relax. Just keep looking. Just wait. Just wait. Keep looking. Oops. Just wait. Don't take your eyes off. Just keep looking. Now, imagine I removed, you know, like this. People be posting this shit, bro. And they're like, they put like music behind it and they're like, all right. Or they just be posting shit like this and it gets you guys. Like, come on, bro. Come on, bro. If they didn't take it and call it out live in front of you, don't trust it, bro. I could post this and everyone would believe me. I promise you, my Discord would believe me. I know them. They would believe me, bro. They would believe me because I stream live. I mean, it's different. I've never done it before. I stream live, but I could post this on a platform that I didn't know, and people would believe me, bro. Don't trust it. I'm not saying it's impossible to trade like this. Yeah, you can. You just have to keep. What I actually clicked buy here, right? So let's see, like, if it works out, it just freaking goes, And this, guys, that took 10 seconds. Imagine what you could do if you just gave it a little bit more time. I don't even know how to edit and shit. Where did you enter? I think we took the same trade. I entered right here, bro. This candle right here. Obviously, it's going to go lower here. Obviously, it's going to go higher here. It's pretty obvious, bro. Like, top tick and bottom tick. Yeah, man, stupid. Euro USD looks very bearish, bro. Can you explain the trade? Bro, the thing is, you guys see the people on TikTok? They're not joking right now, bro. I don't think Miha or Maiha. You know what? He seems like a pretty smart dude, so I think he is joking. Never mind. That's funny. That's a funny comment. I think he is joking. But most people won't, bro. I don't know. You can make it even more believable, bro. Do something like this. People love believing this. When you got the double, bro, what is this chart doing? Yeah, bro, come on. Yeah, you can definitely top tick, right? It's possible, right? Just wait for a liquidity sweep, maybe SMT, maybe go to the 5-second, look for an inversion. I don't know. Like, there's ways for sure. There's ways. Would I sell a course? No, not a course. A course won't teach anyone anything. Course is not good enough. You have to mentor. You have to teach people, try to stop them from making mistakes that you know are going to be made. You have to read price. You got to prevent them from making the mistakes you made. I just see bottom take NFP. Yeah, I'm not saying it's toxic, but it's not sustainable. Yeah, anyone can do it. Like, look, literally here. We literally bought this. What if I actually just bought it, You can do it. Anyone can do it, in my opinion. It's just not consistent. And I don't like that people sell the fact that it's consistent. Unless they're actually consistently doing it and showing proof. But I promise you they're not showing their losses, bro. I promise you they are not showing their losses. Bro, if they're really perfectly bottom ticking and top ticking every single trade, come on, bro. Use your brain a little. They're not showing losses. And it's fine. It's just I don't like that, you know, some new traders get put like it personally doesn't bother me. I don't really care what other people do, but long setup around 950. Yeah, it's a good trade. Any other day it probably plays out towards the drawn liquidity. This should be of course how the yeah, for real, bro. Top Step needs a 250K account. Top Step does need a 250K account, man. Come on. Let's get some drawdown increased. The drawdown on Top Step is ass, bro. Bro, 4%? What the hell, man? Give me a chance, bro. 4%? Like, come on, bro. 4% some doo-doo water. Like, give me more of a chance. Like even 2.5 makes a big difference. That's like 2 or 3 extra trades, depending how much you risk. 3% on 150Ks is crazy. Yeah, bro, 3%. Even on the 100K, you have 3% risk. Bro, 3% drawdown, I mean. Did you take that trade or was watching? I'm just watching. I'm not trading today. Yeah, 3 trades at 1%, I know. Can't risk 1% on a futures account. You gotta risk like 0.5 minimum. Minimum. Unless you're just like sending it and trying to pass and fail quick and get payouts quick. Then you see 1%. Who cares? But if you're trying to build consistent for like months on the same account, nah. Minimum 0.5. 0.5 is probably too much still. Maximum. Yeah, I'm tripping. Well, that's what we're gonna do. We didn't do any backtesting today, so we're gonna backtest. Look how deep these retracements are. We're gonna backtest. Just my model, or we can. You know, I've been backtesting. This is NQ. My right chart is ES. I've been backtesting. You guys let me know. Do you guys want me to backtest my exact model, including entries and everything, or do you guys want me to backtest turtle soup entries? I didn't take any trades today, Edu. What do you guys want me to backtest? My model in complete, or in just my model, but use turtle soup entries. Like I'll be backtesting my model anyways. Turtle soup is like trying to find like really high risk to reward setups, but it's aggressive. It's aggressive. It's an aggressive entry style. You know, but we can just do both. We can just do both, I guess. Look at the candle that just formed on. Look at the candle that just formed. Yeah. Turtle soup with my model. I mean, yeah, I'll backtest my model for sure. All right, let's do. Okay, I already have a backtest here. See, it says turtle soup entries. I was practicing. I was already practicing a little bit. Oh, bro, I hate that it does that. Okay, this is Monday. I'm doing November. I'm doing November because look, like let me show you guys, bro. Bro, anyone can bottom tick and top tick, bro. I promise you. Look. Oh shit, it's gonna take way too long to get here. Like look. I was practicing turtle soup. I literally shorted right here. I shorted right here. I TP'd right here. I shorted again and I TP'd right here. But you know how many trades I took before? Look, you can't fake this execution on fucking you know how many trades I tried to bottom tick and top tick before and I was losing? Like I was practicing it, like right? I was shorting off of this imbalance, off of this liquidity sweep after 9:30. So like I thought, you know, it makes sense. My actual model, I would have waited for this or this. I would have shorted right here. This fair value gap with the breaker, it's good. That's the most insane I've ever seen, right below my TP and fucking drops. That's not to say it, but that's kind of what you get for trading today, you know? Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I used to want to trade all the time, bro, but you know how good I feel right now not trading today? I probably would have hit break even or a sell on that first trade that my model formed. I probably would have missed the second trade because I lost the first one, and then if I took that third one, where you guys already saw what happened, so shit's frustrating, bro. Yeah, man, that's why I don't trade today. Straight up down, tell me, do you really wanna love me forever? Oh, 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 does it? All right, let's focus up here. So we'll backtest. I see this 15-minute bit. Let me go on the daily chart first. What am I doing? Damn. It's Monday. I want to look. Is TradeZilla better? Oh, TradeZilla is 100% better, bro. Not even close. But you do have to pay. But you get 15-second charts too, bro. Fucking neat, man. It's actually neat. Yeah, unfortunately you do have to pay, but it is worth it. It's worth it because, hear me out. When you pay for your software, you're gonna use it. When you pay to journal and pay to backtest, you're gonna use it. Why is it better? Because it has a built-in journaling software, and you can. This is, in my opinion, why the backtesting is better. For starters, the data they give you is better. 2, I think it's a little bit easier to just put on trades because it's just like a little bit more smooth. That's 2. 3, and this is the main reason, your backtesting syncs to your journal's model. So you can look, like if let's just say I took a trade, I go to trade notes, look, I can go back and I can say, okay, I took this model and I followed these rules. And for any notes, I can say blah, 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 blah. And it's just, that feature for me is so good. Yes, you can use the 15-second on it. Like, yeah, you have to pay for it. Use my discount code, by the way. I had to beg them for it. I literally asked, like, once a week for, like, 6 weeks straight. And then they gave it to me. And I was like, yeah, 10% off. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, got you. NFP most, but on a real note, like, I didn't ask FX replay because I think this is better, right? I think this is better. I wanted to be able to backtest and journal at the same time. Because before, what I used to do was I used to backtest and then I used to open up Notion. I would open up Notion and I would like fill in the backtest. Like I would go like, oh, I took a trade. Okay, then go here, click new, and fill it out. But you know how long that took? That took so long, bro. Like it's so frustrating. Like I can backtest so quickly now. This is TradeZilla. Bro, see, exactly. If you backtest your journaling, then you know how like frustrating it is. You have to switch monitors, you lose your mojo. Like, but here, bro, journal, trade notes. Most recent one is the most recent trade. Put the model you took, type whatever you want, boom, next one. Like just next. What was that dump a few minutes ago? That's what we call manual intervention. Damn, that is a significant dump. Just reminding people that, you know, don't trade before NFP. This shit happens. Even switching time frames be hell. Yeah, man. Anyways, let's backtest here. So I want to see a retracement into previous week's range because it was all bearish from Monday all the way to Friday, meaning we're likely to have some sort of retracement higher. You could look for TGIF. That was actually already hit. I am bearish. I don't see how we can possibly reverse all of this, but there's no clean objectives lower. If we're just looking for intraday stuffs, like forget daily buys. I like these relative equal lows. We do have this 15-minute bullish for value gap, but we did sweep buy side out. So let's go to the 1 minute and see what happens. Think time frame. Oh man, it's so good, bro. Okay, we go down. This might just all the way down to our black line. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think we can do here really. Is it ever this breaker? Like this isn't a bad trade. I mean the breaker's all the way up here. It's not a bad trade. The risk reward is not that good. In terms of stop loss placement, I don't really like this trade. You could do something like this. $9.46. We just wicked below the low. So we'll just try to sell it at market. Oh, that would have filled us right there. This might just go. Just watch it. I wouldn't trust that trade. Nice. Good thing we didn't take. It's just I don't like the way it formed. Right? I don't like that we didn't take out any true buy side. I don't like that we wicked at the low. And if I trusted my bias really a lot, then maybe we could have taken it. But this day looks pretty awful in general. Let's see if we get a break. If we get a breaker now, then maybe we could look for 10 a.m. reversal. If this just grinds up higher, then that's just nothing. Oh, you know what? These equal highs look really clean. I didn't really look at that before. But even then, we wouldn't have found an entry here. I mean, this is a breaker. Fair value gap. But come on, who's going to take that when the buy side right there? Yeah, no trade day. Next. Okay. Ooh. We have a huge daily bullish fair value gap above us. We took out sell side inside of an old daily bullish fair value gap. Do you trade gold? Not really. Not really. What's NQ doing? Dumping? Cool. 15-minute chart. I'll just do 1 week. We're on Tuesday. I'll do Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, this could be a buy model. Consolidate 1, 2. Another leg lower perhaps. So we took out sell side. I'd probably want to look for some sort of longs, but again, I really don't like the way that this formed. It's not clear to me. Let's see. Is there a 15-minute bullish for value gap or something? We just wait for some clarity. This is November. The reason I'm backtesting November is because November was my worst month of all of last year. November was awful for me. Every time I entered a trade, it went sideways. November was awful. So I wanted to backtest to see if I could, after the adjustments I made with my model, which we're already doing a lot better, by the way. Somehow in profit, actually, even though it was really bad for me. Like, look at this, bro. Terrible, man. This is a no trade. I wouldn't even stay here. Let's look at lunch. Let's skip to lunch. Yours was December. December was worse for you. The beginning of December was really good for me. The first 2 weeks, I was really good. I won like almost every trade was win or break even. Then the second half of December was not that good. So I ended up being a little bit profit December. But November was really bad for me, straight up. Okay, so our drawn liquidity was correct yesterday, but again, we just really couldn't find the trade setup. What is this, bro? Can look for shorts. I'd look for, it looks pretty bearish on the daily. Intraday. I like this low with this fair value gap. Did you trade today? No, I don't trade on this day. Oh, this is a big ass 4 hour. Okay. Let's just mark out the 4 hour. I passed 2 funds at the end of December, but still haven't got any payout. Any advice? Have you changed anything? Or are you just doing the exact same thing? Bro, like, what is this price action, bro? I would just walk away if I'm being honest. Like, how can you trade this? 930 dumps like 200 points, 150 points. Come on, bro. It's a bro. We're right about the bias, but just again, no trade. Okay. Again. I'd be bullish today. No, following the same models avoiding news and bad PA. Nah, then you're good, bro. Just keep going. Just take enough trades, right? Because January is bad. Yeah, that happens, bro. Just keep going. I wouldn't overthink it. All right, let's see if we even get any trades this week. Okay, we have London low of day. I was bullish. That's good that we have London low of day. We took out that those highs. Drawn liquidity can be pretty much anything here. We can just look for 2R, but anything higher is good. But oh my god, we are so far in premium, bro. We have to get some sort of move lower. Let's see if we can get some sort of move lower. Okay, that's a move lower. That's a move lower. Bro, what is this? Whoops. Okay, fine. We can just go from here. Okay. We hit the hourly bullish in discount. We expanded. No CISD there. So I can't trade it if it's no reversal. Gotta wait for a CISD or a breaker or something. So we'll see. Nothing. It was just a continuation idea. Short. We inverted the hourly. Well, is it like, bro? I don't know how people found profits in fucking December, bro. I mean, if this inverses, we can go long. Yeah, no. I don't know how people found profitability in November. I mean, we found it actually right here, so I'll take that back. But that shit was tough, bro. Thoughts on scalping? If you have a good model, it can work, no problem. I'm bullish. Previous day high is my objective. Okay, if we can just manipulate lower, get a nice classic AMD, I'll never ask for anything more. Please just don't go straight up again, man. Yes, lower. So bad, bro. Okay, okay. We just took out so much buy side, but okay. Wait, did ES take previous day high? Bro, it did. I still think NQ can take it, but like, bro, surely it's not me. Is there something I'm not seeing, man? You know what? That's enough sell side for me. Okay. Boom. 10-10. We hit the level. I like that. Can we get a CISD? I mean, that's a CISD, but I'm gonna wait for a breaker because of how shitty this session has been so far. So wait. I mean, not bad. It's not bad. If we bought one here. Something like this. Not bad. Watch it. Oh yeah, immediately destroyed. What? Where the hell did that come from, bro? I mean, we went higher. How many orders did I put? Oh, just cook the whole account, bro. Not that it matters, the P&L. Well, I want to see if it hits the draw liquidity. Yeah, it ended up going, but first it inversed, and then re-inversed, and then it hit our objective. I mean, that happens when the PA is like this. So you gotta seek and destroy in the morning, and then lunch comes 11:30. Start your lunch hour. Okay. Let's close this. What's happening on the charts? I'm tired, bro. But also watching in Q&A, starting to watch gold and euro. Nice, bro. I used to lose my mind trading gold. What are your thoughts on scalping? How do you manage your patience? You don't manage, you have to build patience. Build. I'm in 5 micros. Good luck, bro. How's everyone doing? I think we call it here, man. I'm hungry. Want to go make some breakfast. We will be live tomorrow. Trading NFP. I'm tired, bro. Tired. I need to make some breakfast. Just call my name. I think most people are zoned out.
Get your ship together with Shopify.
Sorry. What time? What time? What? Yo, don't you go? Yo, you don't go to college? I've already graduated college. I have a degree in exercise science. I live stream every day at 9:15, brother. I'm here every single day, man. Every day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, except weekends. I take weekends off, obviously. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. See you tomorrow. Nah, trading. See you tomorrow, my man. See you tomorrow. Appreciate you coming through. Did I take a trade? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I appreciate everyone coming through. If you have any questions, you want to join the free Discord. Take care, Chooch. Peace, peace, peace. Appreciate everyone coming through. I'll see you guys live tomorrow. Tomorrow will be NFP. We'll have a lot of volatility. We'll look for a nice silver bullet idea. So take care. Peace, peace, peace. Take care, Kojo. Appreciate you, bro. Kojo, yo, Loki, come tomorrow. I'll make you a moderator. I need you, bro. Okay.